We have raided more number of hotels in Yadgiri Taluka along with our DD Food and Tahsildar team in different teams in various places of Yadgiri Taluka. So we have totally seized 46 domestic cylinders. So in different hotels as per Honorable DC Sir instruction. So there was a rumor in social media that stock is going to zero, but there is enough stock in our Yadgiri district. So no need to. It is just a message from district administration that there is no any such type of situation. We have enough stock in our stock ads. So it is a request of all the public of Yadgiri district. We have enough stocks. So no need to go panic.